Hello, Chris is here.
Hey.
I am here, and today we are going thrifting. I don't have glasses. That's okay. I will not see anything. Maybe some color blocks only. But it will be fun, right? And I have some cool cacao stains on my pants because I am clumsy. And I don't know. And my cookie just jumped out of bag. Oh no, this is disaster. Okay, bye.
Whoa. Now that is one old train. This is remarkable. How is he
Still alive?
alive?
But it's very stylish one.
He's very powerful. Look at it. He's
And the colors, very inspiring. Very inspiring. Such an inspiration. Okay, we are goofing around. Going inside. We'll see what the thrift gods will bring us today.
Let's go.
This will be short trip. We have very limited.
Look, this is yours.
It's very nasty. Old sock. Hopefully it's sock. Okay. We are very weird today. See you inside. Okay. This is very impressive. Cute. And some vintage tag. Nice.
This will not fit me, and I don't like it.
I just found a dress that was very similar color. Okay, what we have? What we have here? Do we have something nice? Something not nice?
We can go in the
British
thrift.
Airways. Oh, 99 cents.
Thrift trip
I like this shirt.
to the
I'll
UK.
take it.
What we have here?
What we have here? There's plenty. Cool
What do you
shirts.
think about these buttons?
I like these buttons, but I don't like this shirt. I don't know. What do you guys think? Maybe I'm wrong.
This is something.
Very strong.
Strong guy.
Strong hands. Strong hands. What is that?
Nothing.
Graphic.
No.
Dude. With some moon? I don't know. On the head.
Moon guru. No.
What's that?
Okay.
Something.
Something small.
Okay. Not today. We are going big. Okay. And
Oh.
okay. This is true. I don't know the rest. Love these vintage tags. So cool. Is this cute or not? I don't know. This is cute, stripped burgundy sweatshirt. The only thing is those distressed spots. Otherwise, it's very cute. And this happens a lot. Happens a lot. Okay. Back on track. What do you think about this one?
I think don't do it.
Don't drink, kids. Just Lego. Okay.
Just for Lego.
Just for fun. Okay.
Should I wear
Color
it?
blocks. I don't know, maybe.
Should I wear it tonight?
Oh, what? Future? For future night.
Future.
Okay. Next.
Next is not for me.
For me, yes. Oh, this is nice. I love it. I love those wings. And what is that?
Bling bling.
What?
PBJ.
Okay. Okay. I like jacket. Okay. Next.
Christian Bieber.
Not loving this. I don't know.
Not loving this.
I don't know. Hard to tell. We got this exact jacket.
This is dirty one.
Oh, nice. Okay. Okay. I think this
Cool
is my
dude.
favorite. My favorite today. Favorite find.
Yeah, and these are some that
Random.
we already.
Random things, yeah. You can show. This is cool. Royal with cheese. Okay. This is so cute. Look at those cute mushrooms.
Oh.
Such cutie pie. What? Okay, that is a very weird place to put that. Oak.
Okay,
Oak
we
leaf.
will not take it. It's Disney stuff.
Okay, this is next level.
Motorcycling guy
Guy from the past to the future.
with
All in
scrolls.
one. Yes. Shoulder boots, Maserati.
Maserati boots.
Maserati.
You can ride
boots.
Maserati with these.
Yeah. Your imaginary Maserati.
Yeah, but the only problem is this. There is some hole.
Mm.
Okay, and check this out.
Okay. What? What is
What
that?
I got.
What is that?
This is like computers. and
Computers.
Old,
So
old
awesome,
school,
awesome,
old
awesome.
school.
We need to send this to Elon Musk.
Yeah,
What do you
Elon
think?
Musk would love
Elon
this.
Musk, if you see this video, you can drop us a message.
We will gift you
Comment.
this.
Comment below.
And this is a vintage, yeah? Made in Italy.
Nice. Very nice. Cool
Nice
job.
find, nice
Nice
find.
find.
Wait. I'm calling you.
Okay. Subscribe. Okay. We got very
We got
some
very
few
funny.
items. Oh, this is very hard to film with one hand, and I don't see if I'm filming. But yeah, we got some stuff. I didn't get items for Y2K bundle, but that's okay. I think I will search in other places.
Yeah, what you gonna do?
What you gonna do? You got what you got, so we are very happy.